Welcome everyone to an exciting world of H5P. What is H5P? H5P is a wonderful resource. The full form of H5P is HTML5 package. It helps you to create exciting and colorful interactive e-content. The best part of this is it empowers you to create, share and reuse those interactive contents that you have created. HTML H5P has got a variety of teaching tools in its library, out of which today we are going to learn about flashcards. Flashcards are colorful images along with questions and tips that the child would find it interesting to solve. Let us learn how to create a flashcard using H5P tool. Let us sign into Google. Let us sign into Google and type there h5p.org and then click OK. Once that is done, you will be taken to the H5P site. Now, if you are a new user, you need to create a free account. For creating free account, you must have seen the steps to be followed as explained in the drag and drop text video explained by Ms. Shalaka. Once you have created an account, you can log in to your account. Now this is my account in H5P. Now let us learn the various components of the H5P homepage. To begin with, here on the left hand side is your username that you have logged in. Then we have view, edit, contents and comments. Now when you want to create a new design, you need to go to the view page and try out H5P. Click on H5P. Now once you have clicked on H5P, it will take you to a list of H5P tools as you can see here. Today we are going to learn flashcards. So let us click on flashcards and the flashcard working page will open. Now this is where you are going to create a flashcard. Here we have the title. In the title bar, you will type the topic that you want the flashcard on. Suppose I type science facts, flashcards, science facts, flashcards. Remember to type the technique that you are adopting. That this topic of science facts, we have used flashcards. This is because later on when you have list of your contents that you have created, it is easy for you to identify and pick it for your particular class. Now in the task description, you are going to give the instructions what the child has to do, identify the image given below. Okay, now once that is done, we will go to the first card. Now you remember I said it contains colorful pictures cards. So we will select the first card. In that we type the question. Let us type the question. It is a network of arteries and veins. So the child has to find out what it is. Now for that the answer I will type, it is capillaries. It is capillaries. So the question is, it is a network of arteries and veins and the answer is capillaries. Now let us select an image as a hint for the child. It is optional if you want to add an image or along with the question, or if you want to just type in the question and the answer. Okay, now I click on this add image. I click on this add image and it will take me to my, and I will select it from my gallery. Now I have selected an image from my gallery and the okay, I have selected from my gallery. Now I have inserted an image and I don't write anything here. Only if you want to write a hint, you can type in the hint in this tip box. Okay, now after that, require user input before the solution can be viewed. You have to select this. What it means is the child cannot go to the next card or he cannot see the solution unless he has put in his answer, whether it is right or wrong. Now, in the next one is case sensitive. Do not select case sensitive because in case you have typed the answer in capitals and the child has written the same answer but in smaller case, then he might be marked wrong. So that is why we do not choose case sensitive, deselect it, and then you go to save. Now once that is saved, you will see, you can see your card as this. Now I want to add more, so then now this is how it will appear. Identify the images given below. I want to add more, I can go to edit again and I will select add a second card. The same first one is here, it is a network. I add a second card and I write the question. It circulates the blood. Answer heart. And I will add in an image of the heart from my gallery. Click on plus add. Now I have selected an image of an heart from the gallery and I go to again require user input before the solution can be viewed. Yes. Case sensitive? No. Again we add a third card, and I want to type, I type here name the phenomenon and suppose I want the answer is refraction of light. Okay, now here I will add again an image of refraction of light. Okay, the image has been added. And now for this question, I want to add a tip. So I will type here in tip. I can give a clue. I will write bending. I have given the clue bending of light. Again, require use it is before the solution can be viewed. Yes. Case sensitive, deselect. Now I have put in 3 cards, 1, 2 and 3. You can add more cards as you want. Now this is for science, maths, any subject. You can insert images, the question and answer. But for certain topics where you don't need have any particular image, then you can just type in the question and the child will answer. So now let us see the flashcard that we have created. Remember, every time you do it and you go to the edit, you have to select save button. Save. Now when I have selected save, it will take me to the view page. Remember, edit is when you want to edit your content. View is when you want to view what you have created. Now this is what we have created. The first flashcard, it said it is a network of arteries and veins. So suppose I type here muscles. Suppose the child types muscles and I check. It will tell it is wrong. Then I go to the next question. The next card is it circulates blood. I type in, suppose I have typed heart in smaller case. Now let us check. It has given me correct even though I have put it in smaller case. Then the next one, name this phenomenon. I type refraction of light and check. Now I have answered the 3 questions. Now I can check the scores. Show the result. Show the results here. Click on this tab and my scores can be viewed. I have got 2 points out of 3 and okay. Now these are the 3 questions that we had asked along with the images. You can see the images, you can see the question on top. The first answer, that is the answer that is given by the student. The one in green are the correct answers and the score and the markings are given on this side. That is a wonderful way of a quick evaluation of the child. This also can be used by the child for doing self-evaluation. Now let us go to the home page. Okay, now this is the home page. Here you can see the contents that it gives all the contents that have been created by you. Now if I go to view all, it will give the full list of contents that have been created by me and are stored in this gallery. Okay, now how do you how are you going to share your file? Now for that, remember the first one, suppose I click in first one, just click, hold press and go to copy link. Again I show, select your title and go to copy link address. Once that is there, and then paste it in your particular assignment folder. Again I show this, select the title that you have created, copy link and paste it in the assignment folder wherever you want to post it. That is all about creating flashcards using H5P. It is a wonderful tool and I'm sure you're going to enjoy creating it just as much as your student is going to enjoy solving it. Remember, once you have done, just log out. Thank you.